Hey everybody, I hope these are helping you out. I like making these videos. I don't even teach second grade anymore. I taught second grade for the last 4 years. This year I'm doing fourth grade. So if you have a brother or sister using fourth grade, Eureka squared, guess what? I'm making videos for those too. Make sure they know about it. All right, hit that subscribe and like button for me. Help me out. Let's get into today's lesson. Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 12. We are on page 79, and there is no page 80 today. This is page 80, but there's no work for you on page 80. First, last, class number right there. Let's get into it. Name the shaded part of the shape. Oh, I think this looks like Billy. Can we call it Billy? I named it. It's Billy. No, you don't. Okay, I guess you don't think that works. All right, so we'll give it a real name. Well, let's look at how many pieces we have. How many pieces are here? I see 2. How many pieces are colored in? 1. So you didn't have to use this line. It just looked like the right thing to do to me. So the shaded part of this shape is 1/2. That's what I see. 1/2, 1/2. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 2, how many pieces? Uno, dos, tres. There are 3 pieces. How many are shaded in? 1, 2. 2 pieces shaded in. All right, this last one, that's on you. Go down here and it says for number 4, 5, 6, and 7, the directors say, write the fraction that makes 1 whole. Because remember, if all these are colored in, that equals 1 whole. So down here, we have 2 pieces, and 1 is already colored in, so we need 1 more to make a whole. Does that make sense? Because if we have 1/2 already colored in, and we color in 1 more half, when you're adding fractions, as long as the bottom number is the same, we put that 2 right there, and we go 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2/2 is the exact same as 1, which would be 1 whole. Look at that. We also added in an adding fractions part for extra. All right, over here, how many pieces do we see? 3. How many more do we need to shade in so that all 3 are filled in? That's right, 1. So 1/3 plus 2/3 equals 3/3, which is 1 whole. All right, keep doing the same thing down here, right down here. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more do we need to shade in so the whole thing's green? Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. They're trying to trick you with this shape. How many are shaded in? How many more need to be shaded in? So how many more need to be shaded in? Write that number up top. All right, another one. Hey, 1 page tonight, 6, 7 questions you got to do. You guys will have this one done pretty quick. All right, I hope this one helped. Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 12. I'm Mr. Short. You have a good night, and we'll see you